Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am going to start doing and showing you guys what we're eating for dinner and what we're kind of cooking. I have been MIA for a few weeks just because of sickness, but I'm back, you guys. So today is Thursday, so this is going to be a short week. But I have a lot of bacon in my freezer, like a lot. And I always buy it. We like to buy this thick cut bacon from Kroger or from Safeway when it's on sale. And I've just been stockpiling it. So what we've been doing the last couple weeks, we've been taking a pack out. This is a smaller pack that I had. And just cooking it up in the air fryer. That way you can discard the grease and just putting it. This is going to be put in the fridge. So it's just like meal prepping some bacon. And we will take it out, heat it up, and use it on whatever we want to. And then on that note, I also boiled a bunch of eggs. I did have an order from Fred Meyer from Kroger for 60 eggs. So these were some older eggs that I had, and I just boiled them, and we will keep those in the fridge and snack on those. I have been loving freezer meals, and this was a freezer meal. It's just Mississippi roast that's going in the crock pot, and there is some fat and stuff. Obviously after it cooks I will discard it, but I just wanted to leave it in there to make the roast super soft and juicy and delicious and give it flavor. But we're gonna have Mississippi roast, and we have leftover rice from last night. I've been loving freezer meals. When I've been making them, I've been making a bunch at a time. And even if it's as quick as a spaghetti sauce or a Mississippi roast or something, it was so easy. I thought it out, just threw it in a crock pot. And this is going to keep on going because it's still not tender to where I like it. It's still pretty tough. So this will go for another maybe 4 hours on high. And let me show you the rice. So this is just leftover rice from yesterday, and if we need to make more, we'll make more. So we'll have that over rice, and it's gonna be delicious. I wanna show you guys, I've been making homemade bread almost every single day the last couple days, and we have some that I made last night. So we have homemade bread that we'll be using for sandwiches or just to eat or with whatever anybody needs bread with. All right, so I decided to fry some zucchini. I had 3 big zucchinis. This is one of them. I just fried it up, put some Parmesan cheese, some garlic powder, salt, pepper, and I did one batch now for my teenagers. And then when my other little kids and my husband gets home, I'm going to cook up the other 2. That way they're nice and warm. They smell and taste delicious. I better show you the Mississippi roast before it's all gone. Like I said, my 2 oldest teenagers are home and they pretty much ate everything. There's this much left. My 2 little ones don't really eat it because it's spicy for them. So we do have corn dogs. We'll have fried zucchini, and I can make them some macaroni and cheese if they want it. We'll see if they want it. If not, they'll kind of just eat what we have. And yeah, this smells incredible. Hi everyone, it is Friday, and I'm going to make like a little stir fry with just a bunch of different little ends of things that I have that need to be used up. Today I had a lunch date with my husband at Subway, so we still have half a sub for whoever wants it. I am going to cook these noodles up and obviously do the veggies and stuff, and then cook the noodles up, and I don't think that's going to be enough. There's my Pepsi. So I think I'm also going to cook up some of this top ramen. I have some kielbasa that I'm going to chop up and saute with some just leftover veggies. I still have a lot more peppers if I need to add more. I have a cabbage. We have some soy sauce packet. This is a little sauce from like egg rolls that I'm going to throw in. I have some teriyaki sauce that needs to be used up. We're going to cook with bacon fat because I've been saving my bacon fat and I've been using it because it just gives it great flavor. So let's get this put together. I have a little bit of garlic in here that I'm going to just go ahead and use all of it. We have some red chili flakes, some sesame seeds. So Asian inspired, clean out the fridge, using things up, and I think it's going to be really delicious. I decided to get another onion. I got a red onion because I just felt like I needed more onion. And this is the other half of the cabbage that's left. Those are the outer leaves that we're going to give to our bunny. Here's our veggies. I'm going to dice up this kielbasa really nicely, saute it, and add the veggies and saute it, and then I'm going to boil the noodles, and this is going to come together in like no time. All right, this is what it turned out. I used those noodles, and then I used 3 packets of ramen, and when I boiled them, I did use the seasoning from the ramen and the water to kind of flavor them, and I took a little taste. It tastes delicious, and I think my kids are really going to enjoy it. This would have been really good to do on the disc outside, but my husband's busy doing other stuff, so I just did it inside. And I feel like I need to start using those top ramen noodles because I have a lot of them. I mean a lot. And I need to start using them up and maybe making stir fries here and there with them. I think my kids are really going to enjoy them. So I'll let you guys know, but I think it's going to be a hit, and I made a huge pot. So we have a lot. Hi everyone. So it is Saturday and today we're going to celebrate my little one's birthday. He is turning 8 and we're just setting up. It's almost 1. Everyone's coming over for pizza and cake and cupcakes and stuff tonight at 4. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. We've been eating leftover noodles for lunch, and then for dinner we'll show you once the party started. But this is what it looks like so far. I think it's so cute, and they're blowing up balloons. My husband's cleaning the deck. So the party is about to start. We have some fruit, we have some Oreos and some cookies and some cupcakes, Skittles, drinks, Oreo cake, and then my mom made this layered Romanian cake, which is called dolbosh. And then I'll turn you guys around and show you guys more stuff. Everyone say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Hi.
Happy Noah.
Happy birthday, Noah. Lucas. Yeah. And then we got some Domino's because that is delicious. And then we have some Caesar salads. We're just waiting to put the dressings on. And then my mom made a huge pot of cabbage rolls, which are delicious. So I set up some sour cream and bread because that's how we like to eat those. And then my sister's bringing a really nice cake, so I'll show you guys when that comes. And all right, so this is the cake my sister made, my mom's cake, and we are going to enjoy this. Everyone say hi again. There's my sister, my brother-in-law. Say hi to YouTube. And yeah, we're gonna celebrate Noah. Hi you guys, so it is Sunday and we're having leftover pizza and cabbage rolls. And I know this is a really short day of a short week of what we are eating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for celebrating Noah's birthday with us. And we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.